Hello guys, today we learn what is ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core is a free, open source and cross-platform web framework built by Microsoft. It is designed for developing high-performance, scalable web applications, APIs, and services. It is highly modular, meaning you can use only the components that you need for your applications. Now let us see what is Visual Studio 2022. Visual Studio 2022 is the latest version of Microsoft IDE for building application and it provides full support for ASP.NET Core development. Visual Studio offers tools for building, debugging, testing, and deploying ASP.NET Core applications with a seamless experience. Now let us see what is the feature of ASP.NET Core in Visual Studio 2022. First one is cross-platform development. With Visual Studio 2022, you can develop ASP.NET Core application on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Visual Studio 2022, however, is a Windows specific, but you can work with the code on different platforms with the same project. Intelligent code editing. Visual Studio provides advanced intelligence code completion error highlightings and refactoring tools. This helps speed up the development process and reduce errors when working with ASP.NET Core code. Integrated debugging. Visual Studio powerful debugging tool allow you to set breakpoints, watch variables, and inspect code execution in real time. This makes it easier to troubleshoot and fix issues in ASP.NET Core application. Built-in template for ASP.NET Core projects. When creating a new ASP.NET Core application in Visual Studio, you can choose from various templates like MVC, Web API, Blazor, Razor, and more, making it easier to get started with a specific application type. And this is powerful testing tools. Visual Studio 2022 provides built-in support for unit testing, integration testing, and test-driven development (TDD) for ASP.NET Core projects. You can write and run tests directly from the IDE. You get package management. Visual Studio makes it easy to manage and install NuGet packages, which provides additional library and tools for ASP.NET Core application. This includes popular packages for authentication, data access, logging, etc. Publishing and deployment. It allows you to publish and deploy ASP.NET Core application to a variety of environments such as IIS, Azure, Docker, or even a custom servers. Live reload and hard reload. ASP.NET Core supports hard reload, which means changing made to a code are automatically reflected in the running app without needing to restart it. This feature speeds up the development cycle. Integrated version control. Visual Studio integrates seamless with Git, GitHub and other version control systems. This makes managing source code, repository, and collaboration more straightforward. Now let us see the folder structure in Visual Studio. Like I have developed one web applications like in top solution web applications, one project web application 3. Here you will get different folders like connected services, dependencies, properties, launch setting.json, www root. In www root, you can have a like CSS, GSS, and library folder, and there is one favicon or ICO. Then after that you will get like pages. In pages there is one shared page. In shared layout share will be there and view one is view import.cs. View start that is a view state start.html. Contact us. I have made a new one. Like when you create a page, so here you can see there is one .html page and there .ces page in the same way. So that is very manageable like ASP.NET web applications. You will get in this in Visual Studio 2022 and error.html. Here also you can see index.html and there is program.cs and app settings. N- Now let us see my project.cln, the solution file. This is used for Visual Studio to load the entire project. A solution can contain multiple projects like web, class, library, and test projects. wroot folders. This is a special folder used for storing static files like images, JavaScript, CSS, and other resources that need to be publicly accessible over the web, like CSS, library images, and program.cs. This file is the entry point of the application in .NET 6 and later version of ASP.NET Core now uses this minimal API style. It configures the application services and middleware pipeline. Dependency and NuGet packages. While not always visible in the folder structure, NuGet packages used by your project are stored in a folder called packages. You manage this through Visual Studio NuGet Package Manager, which handles external libraries and dependency for your project. Now let us see this folder structure with a live. Like go to start, click on Visual Studio 2020. Now continue without code and here we will go file, new, need to select project. Here you will get like recent project template already you have created. Here you can see different template available here. Now already let's see like recent ASP.NET Core web app region page. Now go to next. You can provide your project name like web applications and this is a folder as solution. You can see this one and click next. So after when you will click next button, additional information like ASP.NET Core web page, Razor pages, here framework .NET 8.0 long term support and alternate type I have checked none and configure for HTTPS and click on create. Now go to Solution Explorer. Here you can see now like a folder connected services, no service dependency discovered. There is one dependency folder, so there is one analyzer. In analyzer, they are different like namespaces like ASP.NET Core. This one object pool, and you can see. After that, we will frameworks. So this is a framework Microsoft ASP.NET Core.app. Then there is see you can see there is properties. In properties there is launch setting the JS. You can see here JSON launch setting JSONs are there. Then after that you can see www root folder. In www root you can see the CS style and one in JS and this is library like bootstrap, jQuery, validations and validation and more steps and one is Fabrican icon. After that here you can see that is a page. In pages, there is one folder like shared. In shared, you can see there is layout.cstml, that is a master page, and there is .css page for that master. That you can see view import.cstml, and there is one view.html pages, and there is one index page. And index page there is one CS page. You can see now after F setting JSONs, you can see here, and then there is program.cs, which is the main file, first file, which can be start your program from here. That's it. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.